My name is Wade Humphreys. I'm the Senior Executive Director over Digital Marketing at Sanford Health. Sanford Health is an integrated health system located in the Dakotas. We have 45 hospitals, almost 300 clinics, 1,500 physicians, and just north of 29,000 employees. And we're going through a transformation of our primary website right now. And we know through research and surveys and all the analytical data that they primarily come to our site to find a doctor, find a location, pay their bills, have those more transactional, touch points. And so what we want to do is obviously get them to where they're where they're planning to go much easier, as well as then bring in other information that affords them a luxury of, if they're there for cancer or orthopedics or women's services, that we can make relevant based recommendations on classes and events and other touch points. Consumers' expectation for relevance and personalization is at an all-time high. We're not really measured against our peers, so people don't really expect Sanford Health to perform only at a certain level because it's healthcare. They expect us to just be as relevant as Amazon or any of the other leaders in the digital space. So yeah, relevance and that personalization is a critical component. I think today more than ever consumers almost expect that. So for us, when you come to the website and from a geolocation and simplistic form, we know where you're at. So knowing that we're in 9 states, we want to provide at its core doctors and locations near you, and today we don't have even those things in place. So every user that comes to our site really has to start from square zero, and we want to really just move that user closer to access to care, convenience, by leveraging Coveo and other tools that bring that further to the forefront. And so when you think about cookies and pixels and actually, where they come in contact with your web property, what they did and didn't do when they were on your website, where they've left and where they've went afterwards, you're able to use all that data to make more intelligent marketing decisions on where you should spend your advertising dollars to reach, that user again or similar users. So in the same, context, machine learning and AI and that predictive modeling really will help you map out that user journey within the confines of your web properties, your applications, making smarter delivery recommendations and predictive analysis. So when you really kind of get to the core of Coveo and its ability to pull in all that data and provide relevance, it's not only just leveraging it in a web property from search, but how to actually carry it across the intranet and our apps, so that we don't have really just siloed delivery of information, but really a unified, capability of presenting, relevant content. From implementation and just overall support and training, the Coveo team's just hands down been impressive with just prompt responses and the true commitment and caring of our success. So that first and foremost has been huge. Additionally, the technologies from our vetting process and going through kind of the RFP stands far and above ahead of others in the space. And so knowing what it's capable of doing out of the box in its simplistic form as far as where you guys are going with AI and machine learning into the future seems to be the right partner to get us where we want to be.